Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the perfect ombre nails or gradient nails. And for this you basically need a porous sponge along with the polishes of your choice. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first rule here is you always need to apply the lighter color as your base, or you could use a white color as your base and then you can dab the gradient over this. So I'm going to be using the Born Pretty's white polish as my base today. So next I'm going to be using this ombre set that I got off AliExpress. So I'm going to be making an AliExpress video really soon. It has a perfect handle along with the sponge and they also give additional sponges with this. So it's pretty amazing and I got this entire set for a really good price. So it's just perfect for ombre. But if you don't have this, then you could use any ordinary porous sponge. So always make sure to not use a silicone sponge because I don't prefer silicone sponge as they do not absorb the nail polish well. So always use something that's porous and make sure to apply liquid latex over your nail because it's going to be really messy to clean it up later. So once they're done, you need to apply the shades of your choice over the sponge, and I'm going to be using this dark pink shade from TS Color Please and another lighter pink shade to create my ombre. This does look a little bit of white on the camera, but it's actually a very light pink shade. So then I'm going to be dabbing this with the dark color being towards my cuticle and the light color towards the tip of my nail. Next you can go over it again to bring out that color. So I prefer dabbing twice or thrice to just bring out those colors really well. So when I first started creating gradients, I realized that there were these bubbles that were creating after you're done dabbing. So the trick is you need to apply a top coat as soon as you're done dabbing so that it blends the polishes really well and give that very clean gradient effect. So I'm going to be removing the liquid latex and then cleaning up around my cuticles, and then I'm going to be applying a perfect top coat. So as you can see, once you apply the top coat, you get a very smooth surface and that perfect ombre that you want. So I absolutely love this combination. So my favorite gradients are those which have the same color but in a darker as well as a lighter shade. They just look amazing. So to deck it up a little bit more, I'm going to be stamping over my ombre and I'm going to be using the Beauty Big Bang stamping plate as well as the Born Pretty stamping polishes. So if you guys haven't watched my how to stamp video, then you can check it out in the link above. And stamping just creates a really pretty look around it. I absolutely love this design and this stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang. So this is how the final manicure looks like, and I'm in love with gradients and ombres, and you can create so many different shades of gradients. If you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below which other tutorial you would like to watch. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.